everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. So today's video I'm going to review this eyeshadow palette that is from Nykaa Tinsel Twilight eyeshadow palette in the range Eyes on Me. They have total 5 eyeshadow palette, out of which I took this one. So I created this look using this palette. So I'm creating this look since it's my birthday and there's a small function at home. So
it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's the most super epic, totally coolest day.
If I post this video on 16 June or after that, you can wish me in the comment section as well. I'm just getting ready for going nowhere, so I'm getting ready to, it's a small get together or party at home only between my husband and my son. So like chota mota photo session hoga. So I thought, like, why not review this palette as well. This is my first time and it's going to be my first impression, so it's here. So I'm going to share with you my review while I use this. So let's get started. They have launched 5 different palettes from this range and I took Tinsel Twilight. I don't get any PR package of all the shades, so I just have one right now to review. So this is Tinsel Twilight, and this is the packaging. It comes in this packaging. It's small in my, you can see my, बस इतना ही साइज का है. Packaging is very, this is, you can see it's so sleek. Packaging is like this, and I would not say the plastic they have used is very nice or magnetic or anything. It's very simple and sleek, and I don't know how much amount of product is there inside this. Let me check if it is mentioned. Grams. So 12 grams of product is there in this, and there are 10 shades in this palette, so it's not a bad deal. The exact price of this is 599 rupees. That is almost 600. So 599 ka 10 shade you get it, and you can easily put this in your clutch, in your sling bag, backpack तो आएगा ही. So very lightweight, और इसके साथ मिलता है this kind of brush, sponge brush, which is not very useful, so it's better to carry one extra brush of yours. And in this palette Tinsel Twilight, you can see there are neutral shades, warm tone and cool tone shades, both are there. So I just took this, give this a try, because I could see there is this black. If in case if I'm traveling and I don't have my eyebrow pencil or anything, you can easily fill your eyebrows. Emergency ke liye theek hai. And also there are, I like this kind of shade in which only this one shade itself look very nice on your face. So as I was telling, so I took the shade in the shade Tinsel Twilight, and the price was 599 rupees, but now it's on 20% off. You get it for 479 rupees. So this is very nice deal. 479 में 10 shades मिलता है. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab it right away. I like this palette, so let's see how it works on my eyes. So let's get started. So I'll quickly do my eyebrows and foundation and all, and I'll come back. So first thing I'm going to use is this shade. Okay, I can see it's nice pigmented. I just dipped once. But so much of powder is coming out, so I need to press it very lightly. You don't need to press it very badly, otherwise बहुत सारा powder उसमें से निकल रहा है. So the next I'm using is, since I'm wearing a blue, so I'm using this blue shade here. Here is this brown shade. See, I'll just dip and show it to you all. You can see the powder. I can't even hold it. Okay, so in this brown there is not much fallout, but this there is fallout, and blue also there was fallout. If you see, बहुत सारा powder निकल चुका है, so it's very pigmented and बहुत delicate लग रहा है. So जो नीचे before that V, outer V, I'm just going to fill it. Brush I'm using is from Nykaa. They are eyeshadow brush, BlendPro collection. So recently I have filmed the restock sale, so I purchased this brush. So if you have not watched the restock sale, you can click on the I button here. I took so many products from the restock sale. So do let me know which product or eyeshadow palette or what I have purchased from that. You need to watch that. तो उसमें से आपको कौन सा review चाहिए, let me know. So I again took the blue to create outer V. Nice. So on the whole it's not very dark. ये जो shade है, they are not very dark. It's okay. So seen on the skin tone, like मेरे भी skin tone पे इतना dark नहीं आ रहा. See, I used this brown वाला shade and this dark brown. So वो ही light आ रहा है. So it's worth for 599 rupees. You can give this a try. बहुत सारा fallout है and थोड़ा यहाँ पे भी गिरा हुआ है. So I have to dust that. So I'll just put my mascara, eyeliner and I'll come back. Okay, so that's all for my eye look. If you see how does it look, it's quite decent. And the lipstick I have used is from the shade Truffle, Nykaa Matte Luxe, and in the shade Truffle. On top of that I applied this gel lip gloss from Nykaa, and that's in the shade 06 Name Drop. That gave me this coral shade. It's a beautiful shade. I really loved it. And this is an okay palette from I would like to say this is very nice palette for if you're a teenager or a college going girl, you can definitely buy this. There are lovely shades in other total 5 palettes. You can check that out, and according to the shades whatever you like, 599 is a good range. And और अभी तो 20% off 479 rupees only. So you can buy 2 palettes within 1000 bucks. So और क्या चाहिए यार. So go ahead and buy that, and I hope you like this look. And do let me know in the comment section how was this look and which other shades. Did you buy this Nykaa palette? Did you buy this Eyes on Me palette? Which range did you buy? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit like and share this video to all your friends and family on WhatsApp, Facebook. And follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam. And stay connected. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.